Unlock your wealth-building potential with a comprehensive guide to navigating your JPMorgan Chase investing account. First, head to the JPMorgan Chase website or open their mobile app. You'll need to log in using your username and password. If you're a first-time user, you'll likely need to complete an initial setup process to activate your investment account. Once logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is your central hub. Look for sections like Investments, Accounts, and Research. Today, we'll focus on the core functionalities to get you started. To make a trade, navigate to the Trade or Buy, Sell section. Here, you can search for specific stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds by their ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple or SPY for the S&P 500 ETF. Clicking on a ticker will bring up its detailed view. You'll see current pricing, historical charts, and key financial data. To place a trade, select either buy or sell. You will then choose the order type. Market orders execute at the best available price, while limit orders allow you to set a specific price. For informed decisions, explore the Research tab. Here you'll find market analysis, news, analyst ratings, and tools to help you understand potential investments. This is crucial for building a solid financial plan. Finally, under Account Management or Statements, you can review your portfolio's performance, check transaction history, and access important tax documents regularly. Reviewing these helps you stay on track with your wealth-building goals.